Nah. Nah. Is this stuff for Charlie and Earl? Which one would be for Earl?
This one.
Nah.
Okay. Is this one in airways?
Nah.
Okay.
Haha. Let's see what you have so far. What do you have in your cart so far? All the soft food. What else? Let's see. Oh, you want to get one of those for Earl? You think that's enough? Just one more? Okay. Which one? Nah. Okay. All right, you were done? You need one more? Okay, let's go. Go ahead, we're not in line. Okay. Honey, that's enough. Earl's going to get a tummy ache if you give him all of those. Charlie probably wants that, yes. Okay, that's enough. Nah.
Charlie wants these.
Sure, yes, he does. Of course he does.
You like these?
Yes.
You like these?
He does like those.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough now. How many do you have there?
1, 2, 3.
3? It looks like more than 3 to me. Let's count them all. Okay, let's put some back, okay? Can you put 3 of them back? Take 3 away, honey, please. Isla. That's enough, honey. Okay, let's put some back.
Backup cashier to the front, please. Backup cashier to the front.
Let's put a few of these guys back. Can you help me?
No, I need
Probably to the front for cashier backup, please.
You need some of these? This is going to be like one bite for Charlie.
one at a time.
Just one at a time, yeah. Let's only have, let's put some back, okay? Can you put those 3 back? And put the stick back, too. So you don't want Earl to get a stomach ache. He's a big, giant guy, and he's getting older. His tummy can't handle all of this. Okay, I think we're good with one of these. You want to see those guys? Okay. Okay, can you push your cart over there? Do you want to bring one of those little mice home? You do? Okay. What do you think Earl would do?